What's up my rubber soft ones? It's your girl Markov Yuri here, and today, I will talk about the pulling down pants and underwear sound effect from Festival Daydream. Number stop heading. It's from a video called Male Alexis Using the Bathroom. That video was uploaded 3 months ago on August 22nd. The duration of the sound effect is 009 to 027. The jumping sound effect will be removed at the beginning, and the hissy peeing sound effect will be removed at the end. Now, time to preview this sound effect. See, that's how the pulling pants and underwear down sound effect sounds like. Now, I'm gonna test this sound effect, because my bladder is full and I don't might pee for 15 minutes. I'm gonna pull down my pants and underwear and sit on the toilet. That feels so much better. Remember kids, before you use the toilet, I want you to use the pulling down pants and underwear sound effect. It's from this video right here. The link is in the description. It starts at 009 and ends at 027, and the total seconds are 18. Make sure you remove the jumping sound effect at the beginning and the hissy peeing sound effect at the end.